Hey everyone! Welcome back to All About Knowledge. We can name it exhaustion, fatigue, or just tiredness, but whatever the name, the experience is the same. It's no secret that we feel constantly exhausted at the end of the day, whether we did something productive or not. Being constantly tired has become somewhat of a status quo, one that leaves us relying on anything that can help us feel less tired. In this bid to find something to help us make it through, we often rely on some mindless habits or activities that drain more of our mental energy instead. Here is 10 habits that drain your energy. You should stop doing it. 1. Watching emotional shows. Netflix and chill can feel and sound relaxing, but make sure you pick the right shows. Emotional shows, even the good shows, can be mentally draining. Experiencing intense emotions can result in overstimulation. Ultimately, this will take mental effort to regulate these emotions. Try to be mindful of the shows you pick. If you feel that the theme of a show is triggering your emotions, then avoid them as best as you can. You can also try to set a limit for watching emotional shows. 2. Having a cluttered space. Cluttered spaces can also drain your energy. Whether it be your working space, living space, or bedroom, messy and cluttered spaces can make you feel exhausted too. All the unnecessary items in your space can be distracting. Try to clear out your space of unwanted things. Other things you can do are to avoid leaving your last night dishes in the sink for the morning, or take 5 minutes daily to clean your desk in the morning before starting work. 3. Having unfinished tasks on your to-do list. We've talked about physical clutter, but now it's time to talk about mental or emotional clutter. Having unfinished tasks on your to-do list is the mental clutter I'm talking about. When you focus on the bigger tasks and keep on piling up smaller ones, it can also make you feel drained at the end of the day. Make sure when you write out the to-do lists that you mention the most important ones and the moderately important ones. Try to leave out the ones that aren't that important. It'll save time and keep your energy intact. 4. Skipping exercise. I understand that when you feel exhausted you don't have the energy to exercise. However, it might feel like the right choice. It's not. Skipping exercise one day because you're exhausted can turn into an everyday habit that can leave you feeling more mentally exhausted than normal. Try not to listen to your inner voice and continue with your exercise routine. Exercise can help you release endorphins, one of our happy hormones. These endorphins can help in improving your mood and restore your energy. So what are you waiting for? Go exercise. 5. Having too many tabs open. Does your computer tab have too many pinned or unpinned tabs open? Well, it's time to close them. Turns out, having many tabs open can drain our energy too. Going from one tab to another can tell our minds that we're having too much work done, but in reality, we're not getting much done this way. Multitasking and overdoing when you don't have to can be bad for your mental health. Instead, try to close the tabs you don't need and open the only ones you're using. Don't let the tabs tell you what to do. 6. Planning too far in the future. Planning can be good, but planning too far into the future isn't. By planning too far in advance, you're leaving little flexibility for change. This also means you're focused on living in the future rather than in the present. This leaves a chance of anticipatory anxiety. Try to plan out tasks such as work deadlines, appointments, and family stuff first, the important tasks. Leave the remaining space open for relaxation, hobbies, or other urgent commitments that may come up. 7. Slouching. Do you know that your posture also matters? Poor posture can put extra strain on your body that can, in turn, cause you to feel fatigued, even if you aren't. Not only fatigue, but poor posture can also cause unwarranted headaches, neck pain, shoulder pain, and poor blood circulation. The next time you find yourself, or your coworker, slouching, make sure you correct your posture and straighten your back. You can try these desk yoga poses to stretch and correct your posture. 8. Drinking alcohol before bed. Having a drink after a long day might sound like a way to relieve some stress, but in truth, alcohol makes it difficult for you to fall asleep. Restlessness or not getting enough sleep can then affect your mental capacity and affect overall health. To avoid restless sleep, try to avoid drinking alcoholic or caffeinated beverages before bed. If you can't avoid caffeine before bed, then it's recommended you drink caffeine at least 2 to 3 hours before bed. 9. Not taking any breaks. Did you know that sitting on your desk for long without taking any breaks is also a habit that drains your energy? It is recommended that you take frequent breaks and preferably go outside for fresh air now and then. Sunshine and fresh air can help you boost your mood and energy levels. Whether you're working from home or the office, going outside and breathing in some fresh air can help you get some of your energy back. If you have the option, open up a window to let in the air and light. 10. Breathing shallow. Even without noticing, you may be taking shallow breaths when you think about something stressful or when you might have too much on your mind. Shallow breathing reduces the intake of oxygen that, in turn, can trigger anxiety and ultimately fatigue. When you find yourself getting anxious, try to take several deep breaths. You can try taking a few minutes every day to practice diaphragmatic breathing or other deep breathing exercises at work or at home to calm your nerves and restore your energy. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you. Stay connected.